Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal to OBS. Setting up a donation method is a fantastic way for your viewers to support your content directly. We'll walk through the entire process, from generating your unique PayPal me link to seamlessly integrating it into your OBS stream. This will allow you to receive tips and contributions, enhancing your streaming experience and providing a clear path for your community to show their appreciation. Let's get started with the first crucial step. First, you'll need to create your personalized PayPal me link. This is the simplest and most direct way for people to send you money. Head over to the PayPal me website and follow the prompts to set up your unique URL. Choose a name that's easy for your viewers to remember and type. Once created, this link will be your primary tool for receiving donations, so make sure it's accurate and ready to go. It only takes a couple of minutes. Now, let's bring that link into OBS. In OBS Studio, click the plus icon under Sources and select Browser Source. Paste your PayPal me link into the URL field. You can then resize and position this browser source anywhere on your stream layout. For a simpler approach, you could also use a text source to display the raw link. This gives your viewers a clear visual cue and an easy way to access your donation page with just one click. To make your donation option even more appealing, consider customizing it. You can create a visually engaging donation button or graphic in an image editor, then add it to OBS as an image source. Link this image to your PayPal me URL. Most importantly, always perform a small test donation yourself to ensure everything is working perfectly. Once confirmed, clearly communicate to your audience how they can support you, perhaps with a call to action on your stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.